So welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so we're going to learn how to convert an octal number into an hexadecimal number. Okay, so stay tuned. So first of all, we are going to understand what are octal numbers and hexadecimal numbers. So an octal number, it is a number system which is a way of counting using base 8. Instead of using 0, 10 digits like normal, which is 0 up to 9, Octal uses only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's it. No 8 or 7. And hexadecimal number is a number system which uses base 16. It uses 16 symbols, which is 0 up to 9 and A up to F, which are extra symbols, right? And the symbol value A corresponds with 10, B corresponds with 11, C corresponds with 12, D corresponds with 13, E corresponds with 14, F corresponds with 15. We are not going to use in the hexadecimal, we are not going to use the values which is like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We are going to convert them to A, B, C, and D, okay? So let us work out a simple task, okay? This convert 164, sorry, it's in base 8. Convert 164 base 8 to hexadecimal. So the first thing which you're going to do is write them separately. So 1, 6, and 4, okay? So now we know that in the hexadecimal system, the values ranges from 0 up to 7, right? Okay, so we are going to find 3 values, which when you add them gives us 7. So what values are those? So the values are, let me use that, okay? The values are 4, 2, and 1. So I'm going to put them on each number on the which we've been given, right? 4, 2, 1. Okay, those are the numbers which we have. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I am going to find the numbers below, which when I add them is the number on top. Okay, so which number or numbers will I pick from the bottom will give me 1? So it's only 1, right? So I'm going to circle, put a box on it like this. So 1 gives me 1 on top. Okay, so which numbers or number will I get from the bottom to give me 6? Okay, so the numbers which I'm going to pick is 4 and 2. The 1 remains. Which numbers will I pick from the bottom to give me 4? Okay, it's only 4. Okay, so that's it. Now what I will do next is this one. The ones which have not put a box on it, I'm going to label them as 0. Okay, so this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so I have these numbers. So these numbers correspond to base 2, which is a binary. Now we have been told to convert into hexadecimal. So what are we going to do? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to group them into groups of 4. So here is my first group of 4, and here is my second group of 4. Okay, so I have these numbers. So let me write them below here. We write them. So we are going to neglect the 0 here because it's not useful anymore. Okay, going to leave the 0 behind. Okay, this. So numbers are 0, 1, 1, 1 on the first group of 4, and 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, we have two groups of 4. And the next thing is I'm going to convert these numbers into decimal. So how do we do that? We're going to find the place values of each number uh, in this group of 4s. Okay, so we have binary. So if we have binary is in base 2. Find the place order. We use the base where's the position it's as. Okay, so we're going to first, so to the first, we're going to go from right to left. Okay, so the first is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 to the power 3. So best values. Okay, and on this side we do the same, going to the right, to the left, the power 2 to the power 1, to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to find the value of these two. Okay, and we're going to add them. Okay, so first we find 2 to the power 0 is 0, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 0. To add 2 to the power 2, it's 1, 1 times 0 it's 0. 2 to the power 2, it's 4, 4 times 1, it's 4. Okay, 2 to the power 3, it's 0, it's 8, 8 times 0 is 0. Okay, on that. Now the total is 4. Okay, going to the next one. 2 to the power 0, it's 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, 2 to the power 1, it's 2, 2 times 1, it's 2. 2 to the power 2, it's 4, 4 times 1, it's 4. 2 to the power 3, it's 8, 8 times 0, 0. Okay, now we're going to find the value. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, it's 7. Okay, therefore, convert this these to hexadecimal. We just have to write the same numbers because hexadecimal runs from 0 up to 9 and A up to F. So hexadecimal contains both 7 and 4. If it was like a number like 10, we should have used like A, but since we have the numbers 7 and 4, we just have to write the same numbers. Yeah, so our answer therefore will be 74 plus 16 to represent hexadecimal. So uh, therefore 164 plus 8 is equivalent to 74 plus 16. That's how we convert an octal number into hexadecimal number. Thanks for watching.